Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to join the official Forsaken Discord server for Roblox. It's super easy to do, and by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be connected with the entire Forsaken community in just a few clicks. Before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and lets me keep making more tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up Roblox on your PC. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top and type Forsaken. Press enter and you should see the official Forsaken experience appear in the search results. Click on it to open the Forsaken game page. Now, once you're on the experience page, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled Social Links or Servers. Here, you'll find a Discord icon. That's the one you're looking for. Go ahead and click on the Discord icon. A small pop-up will appear, warning you that Roblox is about to open an external link. That's completely normal. It's just letting you know you'll be redirected outside of Roblox. Click Continue. At this point, your browser will open a new tab with the Forsaken Discord invite link. You'll see the official Discord invite page with the blue Accept Invite button. Click on that and boom! You'll now be inside the Forsaken Discord server. Once you've joined, the first thing you'll see is the rules section. Take a moment to read through them carefully so you understand the community guidelines. After that, you'll have full access to all the channels, updates, and discussions inside the server. And that's it. You're all set. You've successfully joined the Forsaken Discord community. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and maybe even share this video with someone else trying to join the Forsaken server. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.